Right, boys and girls, last week we learnt about the names of all of our body parts, not all of them, but quite a few of them, and I spoke to you how you could use them in your drawing to do beautiful detailed drawings. Well, today we're going to speak about things that are important to you, and what that means is not things that you like, but that are important about you, that make you extra special, but also it's information that somebody may ask you if you're in a situation where you are lost or you need to phone your mom and dad, where maybe you're in the park with somebody and let's say you twist your ankle or you fall off the swing, or maybe you're at school and it's load shedding and we can't find your mom or dad's cell number and we need to call them because they need to come and fetch you because you've either hurt yourself or you're not feeling well. So we need to learn important information about ourselves, and I would like you to learn the following information. So the first one is your name, and you need to write your name correctly, starting with a capital letter. So I'm just going to use a name. So let's say the name is Pam. So it's written with a capital letter, that's her first name. And her second name, which is her surname, is Smith. Also with a capital, because remember I said it's a name of a girl. Girl is just any old girl, but this isn't any old girl. This is Pam Smith. So you need to learn to write your whole name, your first name and your surname. Right, then, how old are you now? So maybe you're 6 and you haven't turned 7 yet. Maybe you've already turned 7. How old are you? Right, so I'm going to write 6. Then number 3. When is your birthday? So we looked at the calendar and we looked at all the months. So let's just look at them again. There are 12 months in the year, and you try and remember what day your birthday is. Not a Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, the date. So is it the 11th or the 2nd or the 3rd or the 23rd? What day is it and what month? Right, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So you need to know when your birthday is. So I'm just going to write 14 May. So that's when Pam Smith's birthday is, and she's 6 years old. And then the last thing I would like you to know, no, not the last thing, the second last thing. Where do you live? Can you learn your address? Maybe you live in a complex, then you would have to say number 2, Morelka Gardens, Florida. Or maybe you live in a house and then it has a road, so it would have a number of the house, so number 18, Lace Avenue, Discovery, or wherever you live. So this one you need to know how to write. You need to know how old you are. You need to know when your birthday is. You need to know where you live, and then you need to be able to write and know your mommy or your daddy's cell phone number, so that if, as I said at the beginning, if something happens to you, we can phone them and we can ask them to come and fetch you, or that you're with us if you maybe are lost. And you need to remember that every cell phone number has 10 numbers. So maybe the number is 082 671 9161. Maybe that's the number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's easier to learn like that. 082 671 9161. And then all together, that is 10 numbers. So those 5 you need to start learning every day, and then we will do a little activity where I ask it from you, or we'll have to write it down. But you only need to know how to write number 1 and number 5 down. The rest of them you just need to know. Right, I look forward to knowing when your birthday is and where you live, and Mom or Dad's phone number, and seeing you write your name beautifully.